Salt. And water.
Two hours later.
Now we're going to put the bottle in the middle of our volcano to make the hole. Now we're going to use the baby bottles that he doesn't use to drink anymore. It gets hard to make our lava. And then she let us put toys near our toys. And now we're
So put the volcano on the side first. Put the toys
Tell us when to. Tell us when to stop. Ready for this? 1, 2, 3.
all over.
Whoa! This is so cool. Touch it. Have you ever seen this? You can try this with your parents at home if you want to do it. Are you guys ready for this? Whoa! That's so cool!
Your volcano's all covered up.
That is very... Yeah, have a ball. They have a blue ball. Thank you guys for watching this channel. We hope you subscribe and smash the thumbs up button. And see you later. And watch the next video. And subscribe for our channel. See ya. Bye.